Yes, be ready. 3, 2, 1, start. On the contrary, it was submitted by the learned counsel appearing on behalf of the respondents that the impugned order of the learned magistrate has been passed with full responsibility on his part, and he has applied his mind, and the said order has been passed in conformity with the provisions of sections 226, 227 and 228 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, and at that stage of the case the learned trial court was not bound to write a detailed order. Stop. If after application of mind he had chosen to frame the charge, this court should presume it that he had complied with the provisions of sections 226, 227 and 228 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, and this court should not draw an inference on its part that there is non-application of the judicial mind on the part of the learned trial court. Stop. In this regard, it will be useful for me to deal with the provisions of sections 226, 227 and 228 of the CRPC. Stop para. According to section 226, when the accused appears or is brought before the court in pursuance of a commitment of the case under section 209, the prosecutor shall open his case by describing the charge brought against the accused and station by what evidence he proposes to prove the guilt of the accused. Stop. Under section 227, the Sessions Court is supposed to consider the record of the case and to the documents submitted therewith, and after hearing the submissions of the accused and the prosecution in its behalf, if the Sessions Judge considers that there is no sufficient ground for proceeding against the accused, he shall discharge the accused and record his reasons for so doing. Stop para. A close reading of section 227 CRPC would show that the Court of Session is obliged to consider the record of the case and the documents submitted along with the record, and it has to hear the submissions of the parties and then to decide whether there is sufficient ground for the discharge or not. Stop. The Court of Session is supposed to record the reasons if it does not choose to discharge the accused under section 227 and wanted to proceed under section 228 of the CRPC. Stop. After such consideration, and at this juncture, the Court of Session is supposed to formulate an opinion that there is ground for presuming that the accused committed an offence. Stop. In other words, only prima facie case is to be seen. Stop. The evidence is not to be adjudged, nor a lengthy roaming inquiry is to be made by the Court of Session. Stop and over.